In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 25 by 4 using the long division method. As 2 is less than 4, so we will consider the number 25. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract, we get 1. As 1 is less than 4, so we need to put a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. Now 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is less than 4, so we will again borrow 1 0, and we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore 25 divided by 4 is equal to 6.25, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.